Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pharmacy Tech Love. This is where you're learning everything that you need to know about how to be a pharmacy technician. So I am getting off work and I'll be off for 7 days. I'm about to go pick up my daughter and we got a lot of stuff to do this next week. So I want y'all to ride with me and chill. So I'm just not work. I'm on the elevator and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go to my car and go pick up my daughter from soccer practice. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Okay, y'all. So we are at Buy and Save. Make sure I got my keys. My daughter is driving, so I'm not able to record like I want to because I'm scared. So let's go to Buy and Save. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna buy out of here real quick. Okay, y'all, I had to do a voiceover on this part right here because they had the music up loud and I am not trying to get copywritten. But these wigs are kind of cute. I don't really know. I'm not really like into super short wigs, but those two right there, baby, those two are super cute. I really think I want to try some of those. So we'll see how it goes. This is cute too, honey. Now I can wear this out. That is like super lit. But of course I can't wear that to work, you know what I'm saying, sis? And I'm going out tonight and I don't know what I'm gonna wear just yet. I thought this outfit would be kind of cute, but I don't know, it's really not my style. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, so I said that I was gonna buy some Kiss hair dye. I sound funny because my nose is stopped up, so I'm just gonna buy this black. I have bought the red before and it is really good. If you have not tried this Kiss collection, you need to try. This is called Temptation. That's what it's called. So I mean, they have every color you can think of. Let me just go down through here and show you all the colors they got. I think this one is the one that I had at one point. So they got all colors. So I'm gonna try this black, excuse me, and I'm gonna redo my nails tonight just for fun because I don't have anything to do. So I'm gonna try this black out. So let's go see what the girls got going on. Okay, so I need some moisturizer for the back of my hair, and it's this oil I want to show you guys how to make. It's really easy to make. It's only 2 ingredients. So I'm gonna get this. I really want to get some pink oil moisturizer is what I'm looking for, but oh, there it is. So I'm gonna get some pink oil moisturizer. Where is it? I'm looking for like a small one because I'm gonna be doing a little bit of traveling this weekend. So I guess I'll get this one since it says, okay, this one, oh, that's shampoo. Okay, yeah, so we'll get this one, this pink oil moisturizer hair lotion, because I mean this is like really good for my edges. Okay, hey girl, you could just hold on to it. What's wrong with you? Okay, so now I am looking for, y'all know I'm natural, so I'm looking for some gel for my edges. Okay, y'all, we decided to stop by the Goodwill just because, you know. So I'm just gonna go in here and see what they got. You know, it's always good to just kind of venture out. I'm just gonna look for something just to see what I can pair together. Why not? I'm not a cheap person, but I definitely like a good sale whenever I can find one. Hey lady, how you doing? Hey. Alright, so I'm just gonna look around for a minute, show you guys just kind of what's all in here. I like to go to the bookstore back here, see what it says books. So let's see, they really kind of downsized. Let's see. Oh, I didn't know they had movies, but I'm really not into movies like I used to be. I don't really see anything over here. Let's see. I really never buy their shoes. I don't know, I got a foot thing, you know. I don't really like putting my feet off in other people's shoes. I don't like wearing other people's socks. I just don't like doing that. Okay, so I'm looking around for a minute. I'm gonna show you guys what I get if I actually do decide to get something. How you? Just okay, so that wasn't too bad. I spent $22 inside of Goodwill. I'll show you guys what I got when I make it home. Let me get out of the road. I'm about to take these girls to another hair store, so we'll go in there and we'll let them shop. As you guys know, I am partnered with a company named Pharmacy Tech Lessons. If you want to become a certified pharmacy technician in less than 60 days or 60 days, make sure you look in the comments or look in the description. I will leave my page link, and I will also leave my discount code. This company is very great about getting pharmacy technicians certified in a short length of time, and you will have everything that you need to know about how to become a certified pharmacy technician. So I'm gonna head into here. I'm gonna give out my business cards and everything. So yeah, okay, here we go. This will work right here. Some eco style. This is my hands are like completely full. Sorry, I'm so up close, but I'm running out of room here. So I think this is really actually all I need from here. The girls will want to go somewhere else, and we're taking a trip tomorrow, so I'll more than likely be recording for that too. I know for me. No, it's really orange, but it looks red on screen, but it's really orange. Okay, y'all, so we're at Factory Connection. I've never been in here before. I think there's like a store in Hope, Arkansas or something like that has a Factory Connection. So I'm out passing out business cards. The girl is hustling. Oh wow, everything is like 50% off. This is our 75% off. So this is, man, I mean, hey, TK, don't sleep on them. Everything is on sale right now, so yeah. I hate my voice sounds like this. I sound so raspy. I sound so raspy, girl. Alright, they got some cute little fit stuff in here. I mean, you know, it's okay. It's I mean, you know, if you know how to put some clothes together, this is cute. I always like wearing cute little dresses. So I'm gonna look around a little bit, and I already see somebody I know. Let's go look at these purses, sis. Oh my gosh, y'all. I cannot stop sneezing. If you have not been into Factory Connection. Okay, here are the purses. Here's some of their shoes. You know, this is just in case you want to come in and shop or whatever. I guess okay. I don't know about the bottom part. I guess it's okay. I guess it's all right. All right, so we're probably going to Papa John's when we leave from here. So I'm gonna look around a little bit with these girls, and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all what I got from the Goodwill. This is like a cute little dress right here. Super cute. I like the way it's cut at the bottom. And then I have this little summer dress right here. Sorry, I have this little summer dress. And have this cute little blue and green top. I have this little African dress. I really like that. And then this is just something for when I go to the soccer games, just to represent my daughter's games and everything. So I just got 5 pieces from Goodwill. So I hope they're cute. So you'll probably more than likely be seeing me in these. Okay, y'all, I have got to go. I am not feeling at my best right now. So I'm about to take some medicine and probably get into bed. So I will see you guys later. I just wanted to stop in and say, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed my video about the hygiene process, or whatever you want to call it. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow.